Going to art gallery.
I'm going to an art gallery tonight.
That's cool.
My friend, Jane, is an artist. She's displaying her work there.
I love art. I paint in my spare time.
Really? I didn't know that. My friend is a sculptor.
Sculpting? That's fascinating.
Would you like to come with me tonight?
I can't. I already have plans.
She is going to be displaying her work all week. Would you like to go tomorrow night?
Sure. I would love to.
I can introduce you to her. She always loves talking to people about art.
I don't know that much about it. I just really enjoy looking at it.
I don't know a lot about art either. I'm just going to support her tonight.
You are a good friend. What is your interest?
I prefer music.
I love music too. But painting is my passion.
I would like to see your work one day.
I can show you some right now. I have them on my wall.
Let's go see them.
Picnic by the lake.
Hi, William. What are you doing today?
Hi, Henry. My family and I are going to the lake. We're going to have picnic. Do you want to join us?
May I? I would love to join.
Sure. We are leaving at 10:30.
Okay. Let me ask my parents. What should I bring?
You should pack swim trunks and a life jacket.
Okay. How about food?
My parents are going to pack some food. There will be plenty for you too.
Thanks. I'll be back as soon as possible.
Try to come back before 10:30.
I will. If I can't go, I will call you.
I hope you can come with us.
Me too. I have no plans today.
See you soon.
I hope so.
Small auto accident.
Hi, Emma. Did you get a new car?
Hi, Sophia. No, this is a rental car. I was in an auto accident yesterday.
Are you okay?
Yeah. My back hurts a little, but luckily I wasn't seriously injured.
Did you go to the hospital?
Yeah. I went there this morning. The doctor took some did x-rays. Nothing is serious. I just have some bruises.
I'm glad you are okay. Was there another car involved?
Yeah, the other driver rear-ended me at a red light.
Wow. Is he or she okay?
Yeah. He seemed okay at the scene.
This could have been a serious accident.
I know. We were both lucky.
Where is your car? Is it getting fixed?
No. It's too damaged to be repaired. It's at the junkyard now.
That's terrible. Is your insurance going to pay for a new car?
Well, it was the other driver's fault, so his insurance is going to take care of it.
That's good. Are you going to buy the same type of car?
I think so. I loved that car. It protected me in this accident.
Meeting someone at the apartment.
Hi. Are you new to the apartment building?
Yes. My name is Jane.
Nice to meet you, Jane. My name is James. I live on the 3rd floor, apartment number 305.
I live on the 4th floor in 405.
Hey, you live right above me.
That's funny. I hope I'm not too noisy. I've been moving furniture around.
That's okay. It doesn't bother me. Have you met any of the other neighbors?
I met a few people. Everyone seems friendly here.
Yeah, every month, we have a party on the rooftop. It's a potluck, so you can bring a dish to share.
That sounds fun. I love parties and potlucks.
Our next one is on Saturday at 5 p.m. You should come. I'm bringing my famous pasta salad.
Sounds delicious. I'll make a chocolate cake.
I love chocolate cake. I can't wait to try it.
Thanks for letting me know about the party.
There should be an invitation in your mailbox. Everyone gets one.
I better check the mailbox then. I still have so much unpacking to do.
Do you need help moving any more furniture?
No. My brother helped me last night. I'm done with the big items. I just need to unpack pots and pans and dishes now.
Okay. Let me know if you need help. See you at the party.
New friend at school. Maya, how was school today?
Mom, it was fun. I made a new friend.
That's nice. What's her name?
Her name is Sarah.
Is she new to your school?
Yes, she's a new student. She moved here from Seattle, Washington.
You have an aunt who lives in Seattle.
I know. I like Seattle. It's beautiful there, but it rains too much.
Yeah. That's why we're staying in sunny California.
Sarah and I have a lot in common. We both like drawing, playing with dogs, and eating pizza.
You should invite her over for dinner one night.
Can we, Mom?
Sure. We can order pizza.
Maybe I'll ask her if she can come over on Friday.
Okay. Let's invite her parents too. We can get to know them.
That's a good idea. They don't have any friends here, yet.
Sick child.
Hello?
Hi, Sue. This is Linda. Are you free for lunch today?
No, Eric is sick today. He couldn't go to school.
That's terrible. Is it a cold?
Yeah, I think so. He has a cough and a sore throat.
My son, Oliver, was sick last week too. He missed 4 days of school.
Wow. I hope Eric isn't sick that long.
There's a virus going around. We need to stay healthy too.
I know. I've been taking extra vitamin C to stay healthy.
Good idea. I think I'll buy some today. Do you need anything at the store?
Actually, I do. I couldn't go to the store because I didn't want to leave Eric alone.
I understand. What do you need?
Could you please buy me a whole chicken? I want to make David some chicken soup.
That's a great idea. I'll drop it off on my way home.
Thank you so much. I will pay you back when you drop off the chicken.
Okay. I'm going to go to the store after lunch. I will be at your house around 2 p.m.
Great. See you then. Don't forget to buy vitamin C.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.